Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. My viewers and subscribers, daily update on the bell peppers. Okay, as you can see, pepper is growing from blossom to pepper. All right, so yes, my viewers, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. All right, my viewers, so yes, stick around because there's a lot in store for you. All right, don't touch the remote. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant sweet pepper, we are plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We are move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, but time to get good. Jamaican farmers hut. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant sweet pepper, we are plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We are move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, but time to get good. Jamaican farmers hut. So as you can see, my viewers, these peppers are about 4 weeks old. Yeah, after 2 weeks time them start to blossom. From come from the nursery plant after 2 weeks started to blossom. All right, so now we have a lot of pepper coming out on most of the plant now. So it's all about have to do some trellising now to keep them up. Yeah, because the peppers are getting heavy and the plants them now, so have to keep them up. All right, so yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. We have to plant. If we don't plant, we don't eat. All right, so yes, it's all about a revolution in farming right now. All right, so yes, inside the greenhouse here, as you can see in the background, yeah, there's a lot of card for chalicing. All those peppers have to be chalicing. All right, so stick around, my viewers. I'm gonna give you some more looks of all these plants here. All right, so yeah, yes, my viewers, these are some bell peppers plant lately. As you can see, yeah, this row never plant out. So as you can see, the water line is off. All right, as you can see here, this water line is on. All right, yeah, so these are the last one that planted. All right, yeah, we have some red pepper here. These are all red, you know what I mean? Yeah, these are all red. Okay, so up here, this house here is the yellow pepper. These are all yellow. All right, you know the yellow pepper can take the water like the red one. All right, up top there, those are the first one that plant 4 weeks ago. Yeah, them have one pepper. Yeah, they are red. Yeah, they can take enough water. They as much, but not as the yellow. All right, so yeah, those one plant first. These one plant after. Yeah. Then you have these one here planted after. Yeah, these are the last one that plant. Right. So these are the last one that plant. And if you can look very closely, there is blossom. Yeah, there is blossom. As you can look closely. Yeah, there is blossom. Yeah. So soon as them leave the nursery and you plant after 2 weeks time, yeah, bell peppers up and running, ready to blossom. So you have to prepare yourself for chalicing. Yeah, keep them up because the weight of the pepper will keep them down, break them down. All right, so yes, my viewers, it's all about bell peppers. Update on the greenhouse with the bell peppers. All right, look on this plant here. Look how many branches on this plant. Yeah, oh, so many branches on this plant. Look on this one. Yeah, so all of them, there's a lot of branch, you know. There's a lot of pepper. All right, okay, my viewers, going to show you some cabbage we plant recently. Them get some rainfall lately, so I'm gonna show you those cabbage right about now. All right, so stick around. Yes, my viewers, these callaloo here, yeah, these callaloo here, we call it bush callaloo. It's the best callaloo right now. It's the best callaloo to eat. If you notice, there is no worm on it. There is no eating of the leaves. Yeah, this callaloo here, you don't spray it. You don't do nothing to it. It just grow wild. All right, you know, the bird eat it and then pass out the seed. The seed grow, yeah, naturally. This is organic callaloo, one of the best. This is my favorite callaloo. All right, you have some green banana with 2 dumplings and this callaloo here with a little piece of saltfish. Wow. You do wonders, man. All right? Stick around, my viewers. Cabbage coming up. Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, all around here, yeah, all around here is cabbage. Cabbage all around here. Yeah, cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage. All right? We get some we get some rainfall recently, and trust me, yeah, beautiful cabbage. Beautiful cabbage, man. Beautiful cabbage, man. Beautiful, beautiful cabbage, man. Yeah, beautiful cabbage. All right, of yours. Yeah, my viewers, cabbage ready to fold. Yeah, cabbage ready to fold. All right, beautiful, 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 wonderful. Yeah, just 2 days of rainfall, you know. Cabbage, pretty again. All right. Yeah, these cabbage are this cabbage spray recently. Try to get rid of the worms. As you can see, where the worm did start to eat them. Yeah, so I'm spray recently to get rid of those worms. All right. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Little more sunshine on the next rainfall. Cabbage is good. All right. My viewers and subscribers, it's all about farming. You have to plant, you have to stick something in the ground, all right? If you don't stick something, trust me, your bill is going too high at the market, you know what I mean? So when you stick something in the ground, right at your kitchen corner, yeah, you can pick a sweet pepper right at your kitchen corner. You don't have to go to the market to buy sweet pepper or bell pepper, all right? So yes, my viewers, even the hot pepper, when you cut the hot pepper and use it in the kitchen, you stick it at the side. Yeah, that's the reason why you need a little garden. Yes, right at the kitchen. So even the onion you cut, you can plant the root part. You can stick it in water for a little while and then you stick it in the ground and it grows. It is very easy and simple. So yes, my people, we have to farm. It's a farming revolution. If we don't farm, we're gonna hungry. And if we're hungry, we're going to die. If you die, who's gonna, you know what I mean? So I'm saying we have to plant. It's all about farming. Beautiful sunshine of Jamaica. Yes, my viewers, if you don't know about Jamaica, my viewers, yeah, from overseas, we have beautiful sunshine here, beautiful rainfall. We have to plant. We just need to stick something into the ground. And that's it. We're good. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, I'm going to be out for now. My name is Ever Slick. And if you want to watch a video, you can watch one here or you can watch this one over here. All right? So yes, my viewers, my name is Ever Slick. Peace and wellness. And I'm out.